Hey everybody, you're on the GeekBox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to pair replacement Roku remote. Let's go. If you have an infrared remote control, it does not require configuration. If you have a Wi-Fi remote control, then open Settings, Advanced System Settings, Device Connect, Enable. Open Settings, Remotes and Devices, select Remote Type. Perform the pairing according to the instructions on the screen. That's it. Now you know how to pair replacement Roku remote. Thanks for watching, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.